blessing.
Next.
A blessing. Thank you. How about you, Josh?
Amazing.
And you are an amazing blessing sa Pinoy Big Brother. Kaya maraming salamat for sharing your life and your journey with us. Muli palakpakan natin, Josh and Ralph! Josh and Ralph!
Sino magsasain?
Wala nang kanin sa loob ng bahay.